Behold, SARS CoV-2, the viral invader that changed the course of modern history. Encased in a protective lipid bilaser, it remains resilient until it finds its target. The spike protein is a masterpiece of evolution, a precision tool for cellular entry.
Suspended in microscopic droplets, the virus travels silently through the air we breathe.
Landing on the respiratory mucosa, the hunt for the perfect gateway begins.
Molecular recognition, the spike protein locks onto the ACE2 receptor with deadly precision.
The membranes fuse, allowing the virus to inject its genetic payload into the host cell.
A strand of positive sense RNA enters, ready to hijack the cell's internal machinery.
Seizing the cellular factories, the virus forces the cell to manufacture viral components. Deep inside, the viral genome is replicated millions of times in a frantic race. In the cellular assembly line, new viral particles are meticulously put together. Thousands of new invaders are packaged and sent to the surface for release.
The host cell is destroyed, unleashing a tidal wave of infection to neighboring cells. Descending into the lungs, the virus attacks the delicate sacs where we trade carbon for life. The immune system sounds the alarm, releasing cytokines to call for massive reinforcements. Sometimes, the defense is too strong. A cytokine storm turns the body against itself. Fluid fills the lungs, blocking life-giving oxygen and leading to severe respiratory distress.
Antibodies arrive, locking onto the viral spikes to prevent further cellular entry.
Specialized T cells eliminate infected cells, sacrificing parts of the body to save the whole.
Simple soap is a deadly weapon, shattering the virus's fatty shield on contact.
Alcohol denatures viral proteins, neutralizing the threat in a matter of seconds. Advanced filters trap the invisible particles, creating a vital barrier between us and the invader. Mutations occur. The alpha variant emerges, refining its grip on human cells. The delta variant, a faster, more aggressive version of the viral blueprint. Omicron arrives, a master of disguise, evading the immune system's established defenses. Vaccines deliver a set of instructions, teaching our cells how to recognize the enemy.
The body stages a mock invasion, building an elite army of antibodies without a real threat.
Antiviral drugs introduce errors into the viral code, causing the replication process to fail.
Seeing is believing. High-resolution imaging reveals the intruder in chilling detail.
The infection spreads beyond the lungs, triggering blood clots that threaten vital organs.
Attacking the olfactory system, the virus silences our ability to sense the world through smell. Even the heart can become a victim of the body's inflammatory response to the virus.
Supercomputers simulate every atom of the virus, searching for a flaw in its design.
A simple line on a test kit, the definitive proof of a viral occupation. Harnessing light to destroy the code, UVC rays tear apart the viral RNA. Memory cells remain on guard, ready to launch a strike if the invader ever returns.
The viral impact ripples through the gut, disrupting the delicate balance of our internal microbes. Jumping back to nature, the virus finds new reservoirs, making eradication a complex challenge. Long COVID, the lingering shadow of an infection that refuses to fully depart.
A world adapted. We have learned to live alongside a foe we cannot see.
The nucleocapsid protein wraps the RNA, ensuring the viral blueprint stays intact during travel.
Membrane proteins act as the architects, shaping the viral particle into its iconic spherical form.
Cold and humidity are its allies, preserving the virus's infectious potential for longer periods.
A natural shield. Younger bodies often possess fewer entry points for the viral key.
A silent drop in oxygen, a critical sign that the lungs are losing the battle.
Environmental factors like evaporation can sometimes turn against the virus's survival. Laboratory-made antibodies provide immediate backup, intercepting the virus before it hits.
The furin cleavage site, a biological trick that makes the virus exceptionally infectious to humans. Scouts of the immune system capture the intruder, showing its signature to the entire army.
The human cost. A relentless fight against an invisible enemy that never sleeps. Mechanical lungs provide a lifeline, buying time for the body to mount its defense. Beyond breathing, the virus can disrupt the kidneys, the body's vital filtration system. Forming a replication complex, the virus builds a command center within our own cells.
In rare events, variants combine, swapping genetic pieces to create new viral puzzles.
Our sewers tell the story, revealing the virus's presence before the first symptoms appear.
Surfaces become temporary resting places, holding the virus in a dormant but dangerous state.
Calming the storm, steroids reduce inflammation to prevent the body from damaging itself.
A global traveler, the virus utilizes our interconnected world to spread with lightning speed.
Herd immunity, a collective barrier built through infection and widespread vaccination.
The virus's first move, silencing the cellular alarm system to gain a head start.
The small envelope protein packs a big punch, driving the severe inflammation in the lungs.
Intricate RNA structures allow the virus to control the cell's reading of its genetic code. Escaping the cellular trash can, the virus finds a way to survive and thrive inside.
From mild to severe, the virus's impact varies with every new genetic iteration. Nasal vaccines aim to stop the enemy at the gate, creating immunity where it's needed most. Viral persistence. The virus may hide in body tissues long after the initial fever breaks.
Next-generation sequencing allows us to watch the virus evolve, mutation by mutation.
Stay curious with Microbe World as we decode the mysteries of the invisible world.
Progress is our victory. Through science, we reclaim our right to breathe freely again.
SARS-CoV-2, a global challenge that tested our resilience and united our scientific world.